Firstly, I'll need a good amount of Vaseline as my release agent so that my latex mask nanti senang I nak peel off. You boleh guna any release agent that you want. I rasa Vaseline is good enough untuk latex. Next, I take my sponge, I koyak-koyakkan macam ni sebab I nak ada yang saiz kecil, ada yang saiz besar. So taking this latex I got from Craftivity. You boleh guna any latex brand that you want. So I'll do a first layer first and then baru I can slowly letak cotton yang I beli kat pharmacy. This cotton that I got is the one yang belum potong-potong. So it's totally up to you pattern macam mana you nak buat for the size for cotton semua tu. So for zombies, usually dekat bahagian eyebrow diorang is more thicker. So we cover up that we want it to make dia macam garang. And then once I'm done on the forehead, I'll do a few layers. It depends on the thickness that you want. Now I'm doing the cheekbone. I want to make it, you know, usually zombies diorang ada macam very high cheekbone so that diorang nampak macam haggard. So I'll just continue doing the cheek part, making it a few layers because I want it to be thick on that particular area. So once I'm done on the cheek part, I'm gonna start dekat mouth area dia. So remember, bila you buat a latex mask, this is a one piece mask. It's not a silicone mask where you have a couple piece on your face. So one piece mask dia akan susah nak buka mulut. So I akan buat dia as nipis as I boleh. So nanti my model takkan susah nak buka mulut, nak bercakap, nak makan semua. Okay, untuk mouth area dia punya texture, I akan guna my sculpting tools. Macam bahagian lain, forehead, dia punya pipi semua tu, kita boleh buat layer of latex sebab untuk buat dia punya texture kan. So since dia punya mulut tu, dia punya latex tu very nipis, so I akan guna sculpting tools I untuk push dia, ada yang rendah, ada yang tinggi. And I can continue finish up the whole latex, so I'll show you soon. Okay, now belah kanan I dah kering, belah kiri I still belum kering. I try to match dia sama. Of course dia takkan sama because this is a latex mask. It's not a silicone mask where you can texture them and sculpt them to make it exactly the same. But I try to matches diorang lah. As you can see, I buat pattern dia macam ke arah mulut macam tu. So just wait for it to dry. Okay, this is the dry look. Now I can start dengan pack spin. So my ratio for my pack spin is 50-50. So it's 1 of frosted and 50 of one color and 50 of one color since I buat 2 color. So my pack spin is purple because usually zombie dia punya undertone is either purple or macam dark red, like bloody red macam tu. So for my look today is I buat purple pack spin. So why you do a pack spin? Because lepas ni I akan paint dia guna acrylic paint. If you put an acrylic paint bawah other painting, dia susah nak melekat sebab dia water based. So pack spin dia ada glue dalam dia, so dia akan glue acrylic paint lepas ni. And why I do undertone is if you terus painting dia without an undertone colour, dia akan nampak macam very dull. Okay, now I akan guna plate macam ni. This one I got from Craftivity. I usually akan letak my paint kat dalam ni. So nanti bila I bawa on set, I'll have the same colour yang I guna masa I pre-paint. Okay, now I ambil white colour and this dusty grey macam tu, and I'll blend them dengan this brownish. I'll take a little bit sebab lepas ni I akan campur dengan colour lain. So prepare your water, and then now I can start off doing the first layer. Okay, now I can add more brownish colour. I can buat on top of the base colour tadi. So it's more like a skin colour now. And then taking my alcohol paint, I akan ambil colour yang dark. This one I'm using a midnight brown. I akan letak kat dalam-dalam yang macam yang depth part to make it more deeper. Okay, I dah layer with some olive adjuster, vein blue, and some blood tone, bruise tone and edge blood dekat all the other part of the face. So now I can add more of the edge blood. I akan buat lagi dalam sebab tadi I dah buat dekat belah atas. So I akan buat belah dalam lagi sebab I tak nak colour tu mixed up. Okay, this is my final paint job. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. As you can see, ada blue, ada green, ada reddish, ada purple in this zombie mask. So first off, I akan letak Vaseline juga dekat dia punya eyebrow, dekat bahagian rambut-rambut di belah atas tu, making sure that my latex nanti tak akan melekat dekat that hairy area sebab trust me, you don't want that to happen on your model. Now I akan letak my Pros 8 all over the face. I tak letak dekat bahagian rambut-rambut tu. Okay, mask time. So I dah remove my mask using powder. Sorry, I tak ambil video. So it fits nicely because that live cast is made for him. Memang muka dia. So yeah, I'll just remove some of the yang edges yang tebal-tebal tu. I akan guna alcohol. Okay, my makeup is almost done. I'm so sorry I tak record the whole look because I did the neck part. So my model kena remove baju dia. So dia malu nak I record. And I continue other paint job dekat bahagian neck, bahagian tempat-tempat yang tak ada paint tu. So I'll use the same method as I did earlier. Mostly I guna eyeshadow. And as you can see dekat mouth area dia, I letak blood. And then next is just lens. Right, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this very easy tutorial. And if you ever remake them, please tag me on Instagram, Nisahan Makeup. And if you want to watch the Zombie X, follow me on TikTok. Bye!